Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can edit videos on CapCut in your iPhone. It's super easy to do. This tutorial is for beginners, so how you can edit any video on your phone. So let's get started. Open up your CapCut app, and then you have to do is wait until it's gonna be loaded. So once it's loaded, you will see the home page of the CapCut, and as you can see over here, the home page of the CapCut. So you have to do is simply click on add new video, or you can simply check it out the templates as well. Over here you can simply check it out any template, and then you have to simply select any video on your phone, and then it's gonna be converted it, and then you can simply edit it. For me, I want to edit a new video on CapCut, so you have to do is simply click on new video and then select any video that you wanna edit. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and then add it. And as you can see over here, CapCut panel of editing. So you can see over here the timeline over here. You can simply check it out, all of the video that you have uploaded over here. So simply you have to do is, you can see over here, click on the video if you want to split or cut it. If you want to do is at this point, so you have to do is simply click on the split button at the bottom. So once you click on that, it's gonna be cut it into two pieces. Or you want to edit the second one, you can simply click on this menu at the bottom. You can simply check it out over here. You can see many free animations and effects, and delete this, speed, beats, crops, and duplicate as well. You can simply check it out from here. So I want to remove the audio of this. You have to simply click on volume, and then you have to simply swipe it to the right or left. You want to mute or unmute the volume. If you swipe it to the left, it's gonna be muted all of the video sound. And if you want to get more volume of this video, you have to simply do is swipe it to the right, and it's gonna be tutorial. I will show you how you can so as you can see, click on tick option at the bottom, and then it's gonna be muted all the video that you have selected over here, this section, not this one. So you want to do with this as well, you have to simply go to volume and then adjust it. So, and you can simply add effects in it, and you can see over here video effects, body effects, styles, and AI effects as well. And you want to add text in it, you can simply click on text and then simply click on add text. You can simply add over here the text, and you can see over here a bunch of animations of text as well, and you have to simply choose them and as well. So you can see over here, you can simply add over here audio as well, extract it, sounds, effects, and recordings as well. You can see text to audio as well, and then you will see brand musics and copyright as well. So you can see over here, you have to simply choose it from here, and you can see effects as well, and overlays and caption filters as well. You can see over here a bunch of filters in it, so you can simply select it and choose it from here, and a bunch of things over here as well. Or you can remove background of this video as well. So you have to do, once you're satisfied with your video and edit it completely, you have to simply do is click on that export button on the top, and it's going to be exported into your gallery. And that's it. That's how you can edit videos on CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.